Your AirPods keep disconnecting? You're not alone. This is one of the most common AirPods problems in 2026. But the good news is, there are 10 proven fixes. Let's go through every single one, starting with the quickest. So what exactly happens when your AirPods disconnect? First, audio cuts out randomly. Your music stops or skips, even though your phone shows connected. Second, phone calls drop mid-conversation. This happens on regular calls, FaceTime, and even WhatsApp. Third, sometimes only one earbud disconnects while the other keeps working. This affects every AirPods model, but it's especially common during phone calls, and it often starts right after an iOS update.
Before we jump into fixes, let's understand why this happens. There are 5 main root causes. Number 1, Bluetooth interference. AirPods use the 2.4 GHz band, which is shared with Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, and other wireless devices. Number 2, automatic switching. Your AirPods try to be smart by jumping between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, but this often causes disconnects. Number 3, ear detection sensors falsely triggering. Number 4, low battery causing unstable Bluetooth performance. And number 5, outdated firmware with known bugs. Now let's fix all of this.
Fix number 1, toggle Bluetooth off and on. This takes just 30 seconds. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, turn it off, wait 15 to 20 seconds, then turn it back on. Tap your AirPods to reconnect. Why does this work? It forces your phone to establish a fresh Bluetooth connection, potentially on a less congested frequency. This is the quickest fix and should always be your first step.
Fix number 2. Forget your AirPods and repair them? Go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and tap the info icon next to your AirPods. Tap Forget this device, then restart your iPhone. Put your AirPods back in their case with the lid open. Press and hold the setup button on the back for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber, then white. Now repair them. This clears corrupted pairing data and starts completely fresh.
Fix number 3. Factory reset your AirPods. Place both AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Wait 15 seconds. Open the lid, then press and hold the setup button on the back for at least 15 seconds. Watch for the status light to flash amber 3 times, then flash white. Now repair with your device. Note that for AirPods 4 or AirPods Pro 3, you double tap the front of the case instead of holding a button. This completely resets the AirPods' internal state and clears any firmware glitches.
Fix number 4. Disable automatic ear detection. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and tap the info icon next to your AirPods. Toggle off automatic ear detection. Why does this help? The optical sensors in your AirPods can falsely detect that they've been removed from your ear, which pauses audio and can trigger a disconnect. The trade-off is that audio will play even when your AirPods are not in your ears. But if false disconnects are the problem, this fix is worth it.
Fix number 5. Disable automatic switching between devices. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Tap the info icon and tap Connect to this iPhone. Change it from automatically to when last connected. This prevents your AirPods from jumping to your iPad or Mac when you start using them, which causes an apparent disconnection from your current device. If you use multiple Apple devices, this fix is especially important.
Fix number 6. Clean the charging contacts. Use a dry cotton swab or a soft lint-free cloth. Gently clean the metal contacts on both AirPod stems and also clean the contacts inside the charging case. For stubborn debris, use a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on the swab. Let everything dry completely, then charge to at least 75% before testing. Dirty contacts prevent proper charging, which can cause one earbud to disconnect due to low power.
Fix number 7. Update your AirPods firmware. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Then, connect your AirPods via Bluetooth. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi, and put the AirPods in their case with the lid closed. Plug the case into power and wait at least 30 minutes. To check your firmware version, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon, and look at the About section. The latest firmware for AirPods Pro 2 and Pro 3 is version 8B41, which includes important bug fixes.
Fix number 8. Update your iOS or macOS. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Install the latest version available, then restart your device and repair your AirPods. Apple frequently patches Bluetooth bugs and system updates. In fact, the iOS 26 update has been widely reported to cause new Bluetooth disconnection issues. If you're experiencing problems after updating, make sure you're on the latest point release, as Apple is actively working on fixes.
Fix number 9. Reset network settings on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Your device will restart. Warning, this erases all saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN configurations, but your photos and personal data are safe. This clears the entire Bluetooth and Wi-Fi stack, removing any corrupted configuration that may be causing persistent disconnection issues.
Fix number 10. Call specific fixes. If your AirPods mainly disconnect during phone calls, try these 3 things. First, change your microphone setting from automatic to always left or always right. This prevents the AirPods from switching microphones mid-call, which can cause a brief disconnect. Second, turn off calls on other devices in your phone settings. This stops your iPhone from trying to route calls through your iPad or Mac at the same time. Third, if all else fails, try temporarily unpairing your Apple Watch. It can compete with AirPods for Bluetooth bandwidth during calls. Also, pro tip, using just one AirPod during calls significantly reduces disconnects.
Let's take a deeper look at Bluetooth interference since it's the most common root cause. Bluetooth operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency band. This is the same band used by Wi-Fi routers, microwave ovens, cordless phones, and countless other wireless devices. Bluetooth uses 79 hopping channels within this band, cycling through them rapidly to avoid interference. But in crowded environments like offices, public transit, or events, too many devices can overwhelm the available channels. To reduce interference, keep your phone in your front pocket, move away from Wi-Fi routers, and avoid areas with heavy wireless traffic.
Now let's talk about hardware issues, specifically battery degradation. AirPods use tiny lithium-ion batteries that degrade over time. After 500 to 1,000 charge cycles, which is roughly 2 to 3 years of regular use, battery capacity drops to about 80%. This can cause unexpected disconnects as the battery can no longer sustain stable Bluetooth transmission. If all software fixes have failed and your AirPods are more than 2 years old, the battery may be the culprit. Visit an Apple store for diagnostics. If your AirPods are covered under Apple Care Plus, you may qualify for a free replacement. Also, keep your iPhone in your front pocket rather than your back pocket. Your body can actually block Bluetooth signals.
Let's recap all 10 fixes. 1. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. 2. Forget and repair your AirPods. 3. Factory reset your AirPods. 4. Disable automatic ear detection. 5. Disable automatic switching. 6. Clean the charging contacts. 7. Update your AirPods firmware. 8. Update your iOS. 9. Reset network settings. 10. Try call-specific fixes like changing the microphone setting. Start with the quickest fixes and work your way down. Most people find their answer in the first 3.
Did this video help fix your AirPods disconnecting problem? If so, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.